In 1990, Yugoslavia had one of the greatest football teams ever assembled. Talented, multi-ethnic, unstoppable. They were tipped to win the World Cup. Instead, their country ceased to exist. Yugoslavia was not just one nation. It was 6 republics: Serbians, Croatians, Bosnians, Slovenians, Macedonians, Montenegrins, all playing together under one flag. At the 1990 World Cup in Italy, their squad was a perfect reflection of that unity. 5 Bosnians, 2 Serbians, 1 Croatian, 1 Montenegrin, 1 Slovenian, 1 Macedonian, all in the same shirt. They defeated Spain. They pushed Argentina's Maradona to the very limit before losing on penalties. Football experts called them the greatest team never to win the World Cup. But back home, everything was falling apart. Riots had already broken out between Croatian and Serbian football fans. Just weeks before the tournament, politicians were stoking ethnic hatred. Nationalism was rising fast. And by June 1991, just 1 year after that World Cup, Slovenia and Croatia declared independence. The wars began. Hundreds of thousands of people died. Cities were destroyed. Neighbors became enemies overnight. The players who had stood together at the World Cup were now on opposite sides of a brutal war. By 1992, Yugoslavia was banned from all international football by the United Nations. The team that could have been the greatest simply ceased to exist. 7 countries now play where one once did. 7 flags where there was one. Football can unite a nation, but it cannot save one. Follow us for more untold history they never taught you in school.